Here's a structured signal from Rahimi Law Firm PC, powered by freshnews.ai. Employment-based green card help explains how organizing records and timelines leads to stronger petitions and smoother USCIS decisions. Executive summary. Employment-based green card cases link your job, immigration history, and family circumstances into a single interdependent record. Each petition and supporting document contributes to how USCIS evaluates the credibility of the job offer, the continuity of your status, and the genuineness of your family relationships. Structured, consistent documentation across these filings improves clarity for adjudicators and supports smoother adjudication outcomes. Today's signal. If you're filing an employment-based green card case, your job, status history, and family situation are reviewed together, so your paperwork needs to be consistent. Your I-140, I-485, I-765, marriage or family petitions, school records, and housing plans can affect how USCIS views your eligibility, intent to live and work in the United States. Weak or incomplete filings can lead to RFEs, interviews, or denials that disrupt your work, school, and family plans. Rahimi Law Firm enables handle business and employment-based immigration by centralizing live coordination, live management, and live orchestration across end-to-end delivery paths. Why it matters. Here are 4 takeaways. First, a job change, promotion, or relocation can affect the offered position in your I-140 and may require updated letters or a new filing. Second, marriage, children, or a planned wedding date may change who you can add as a dependent and which forms you need to file together. Third, an expiring work permit or non-immigrant status can create gaps if your I-485, I-765, or advanced parole is filed late or with errors. Fourth, a school start date, lease, or travel bookings can be thrown off by RFEs, extra interviews, or case transfers that extend processing time. How it works in practice. When you prepare an employment-based green card, you gather job documents like offer letters, experience letters, pay stubs, and tax records, along with personal papers such as marriage certificates, birth certificates, and prior visas. You and your attorney line up filing dates for the perm process if needed, the I-140 and the I-485, so you stay in valid status and preserve work authorization. You also decide whether to file work permit and advanced parole applications with your I-485 to protect your ability to keep working or travel. If your marriage or job situation changes while the case is pending, you may need to update USCIS quickly with new evidence to avoid confusion. Careful coordination helps you answer later questions at biometrics, an interview, or in response to an RFE with clear proof. One practical adjustment. Create a single timeline of your jobs, visas, address changes, and relationship milestones, and match each event to a document you can use to prove it before you start filling out USCIS forms. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, review list every current and recent immigration status, work card, and form with start and end dates and check for any gaps. Second, review gather key employment records such as contracts, offer letters, experience letters, pay stubs, and tax returns in one folder, physical or digital. Third, collect personal and family records, including marriage certificates, birth certificates, prior divorce decrees, and proof of living together. Fourth, schedule a consultation with an immigration attorney to review your job offer, timing, and travel needs before filing or changing employers. Read more at rahimilawyers.com.